Everybody. Today we're going to go into a little bit more detail that has to do with podcasts and what Tom was learning in his little podcast adventure. And last week I covered some basic improvements and things that he has learned, and it covered all ranges of topics, including equipment, what to say, how to using guests, your format, graphics, websites, stuff like that. There was so much stuff, new stuff that had to do with podcasts that we decided to do another call. And so today I'm going to talk a little bit about the episodes and the actual podcast itself. Bulls here out worrying about it. Then he knew part of his deal with the launch helpers was they had to subscribe and download all the episodes. So asking for somebody to download 10, 20, or even 50 downloads, that's asking too much. But 6 isn't too bad, and 3 hours of content isn't terrible. Another thing that you should do is teach people to subscribe and download. You should keep in mind iHeartRadio only lets you submit after you've been live for at least 2 months. Most places don't approve you instantly. It took a couple days, so do this ahead of time, well ahead of time. Even do a test. Once you're in iTunes, you're pretty much ready to go. The only delay that we had to wait until we were live in iTunes before we could use the screen captures of the podcast to use in the training webinar in the PDF file. I could have just used any old podcast training, but I wanted it to be featured. So